In the heart of nature, silence speaks louder than words. Here, beauty grows with the wind, and power rises from the earth. I am not just surrounded by nature, I am part of it, crowned not by gold, but by life itself. With every step, I inherit the wisdom of the earth. With every breath, I rise chosen by nature herself. In every branch, I find memory. In every herb, I feel ancient hands guiding mine. I gather the leaves the earth offers me, each one holding healing, wisdom, and life. My spirit drifts through leaves and branches, carried by the wind, guarded by ancient. I am the daughter of nature.